Did Quezon City Mayor Joy Belmonte join the 2020 Tokyo Olympics? After the fake Heidelin Diaz congratulatory message, netizens were again buzzing about QC's Lady Mayor because of this Olympic silver medalist. Filipinos were quick to make a joke out of Belmonte. Some even flooded congratulatory messages online. Belmonte's look-alike is American swimmer Erica Sullivan. Sullivan won a silver medal in the women's 1,500-meter freestyle event.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.